Here it is, the Tachanka of the 21st century. Instead of a team of 3 horses, there are horsepower under the hood. Fuel tanks. Instead of a Maxim machine gun,
an anti-drone rifle.
here we have an anti-drone rifle. Did you work like this?
Of course.
Have you brought any down?
We haven't brought any down, but we have blocked their movement and blocked their video. This rifle is 100% functional, and especially this device is effective. The electronic warfare device is called Ogonyok. It has already been tested in combat. So, it works.
Today, moving towards Avdiivka by vehicle is almost impossible because fuel tanks, jerry cans and armored vehicles only give you a small chance of actually making it to your destination. Now we are already in Volchansk itself. We are on its northern side at one of the former industrial enterprises, which is now completely destroyed. Moving through open areas is only possible at a run. Did you come here through mobilization or what?
No, I'm a career officer, man.
Career officer.
Yeah, graduated and
And the war started right away?
I came straight here.
Are you getting half pay?
No, somewhere else. I won't voice it. For obvious reasons.
Are the combat operations here any different from what you've seen before?
Of course, conducting combat in urban conditions. It's my first time, a big experience. And naturally you learn and see a lot of new things for yourself. Some things are harder and in some moments maybe a bit easier, but still, we're developing, gaining momentum in our field. The enemy will definitely be defeated, victory will be ours.
Here. There is a massive artillery barrage on enemy positions in Volchansk. Our units are conducting assault operations supported by both artillery and aviation. We were leaving Volchansk when we were attacked by an FPV drone. VGTRK cameraman Sasha Pushin was wounded. How are you feeling? Actually, it turned out that we weren't attacked by an FPV drone. We drove our buggy over a mine. Most likely, it was a PFM mine. And from below, some fragment pierced through and wounded Sanya Pushin, the VGTRK cameraman from Yevgeny Podobny's crew. The buggy is badly damaged. We drove about half the way on it without wheels, just on the rims. That's it. After that, it was hard to keep going on the rim, so we sent the wounded Sasha off on this half-dead buggy. The rest of us continued on foot. Here's our specialist, keeping an eye on the sky. He's holding an anti-drone rifle, and he's got an Ogonyuk anti-drone device on his chest. Unfortunately though, they're powerless against mines. Copy that. I'm leading the group. The buggy hit a mine, an anti-personnel one. One wounded, but it's minor. We sent him to the map. We're going on foot ourselves, evacuating the group. Do you copy?
How did I end up here? I had a great tragedy. My son died. He was 19, studying medicine in Moscow. Something happened, and his heart just stopped. The guy was completely healthy. Well, what happened, happened. I stayed at home for about a week, maybe at most. I couldn't stay longer. I couldn't find a place for myself. I told my family I was going to a monastery, but actually went to St. Petersburg and signed a contract. Belarus, just like Ukraine, was a border between the West and the East. But what happened with our brothers from Ukraine, it seems to me that the people themselves, they are pro-ours, pro-Russian, pro-Slavic. Now, the Westerners in Ukraine, it's clear they are Westerners. And so this minority took over and split Ukraine in half. And so it is what it is. They started destroying both peaceful villages and Russian-speaking people. But that's just... there's nothing you can do. We've never left our own in trouble. We keep moving forward.
Well, have you managed to dull the pain of losing your son, even a little? Or...
Honestly, no. It still stays in my heart. I still remember it. But here, honestly, there isn't even time to think, because you constantly have to stay alert, always watch the sky, the road, keep track of movements, and know where everyone is.